Jerrin. I am from Kerala. I pursued my civil engineering in Williams Carnival Engineering College 2018 in Kerala. After that, I am doing 6 year software courses like AutoCAD, Revit, like that. Then I came to Bangalore and joined the 3-month ICCM courses in Prayojana Institute. ICCM is the integrated certification course in construction management. Construction management is a professional service, and construction manager will supervise and manage contractors and laborers at the construction site. A construction manager plays an important role in ensuring that construction projects go smoothly from start to finish. Then, apart from the theoretical knowledge, we went to the site also. In interior, after that coming the interiors. Interior is the art of science, and it's for decorating homes with aesthetic appearance, and different components including in the interiors are the crockery units, TV units, bar units, study unit, dressing unit, wardrobe, and modular kitchen, etc. like that. Then so many materials are included in the interiors. Main is the plywood, then it's hardwares, particle boards, fabric of the leathers. Then mainly used in plywood. Plywood is general size of the plywood is 4 by 8 feet or 4 by 7 feet, and thickness is 60 mm. After laminating, it changes to 80 mm. And MDF, LDF, HDF are the medium density fibers. Low density fibers and high density fibers are used in this. And medium density fibers are mainly used in panels, and high density fibers are used in long shutters. Only high density fibers are used in shutters, because otherwise the shutters will be bent. Then after that, particle boards are used in interiors for interior construction. Then we went a theme decor modular furniture factory. Two plywood layers are fixed with the gums, and it will cut into a different size that which we want. Then it will laminate for different laminates, and the side of the furniture will be used laminate with the edge band. The edge band is generally in a PVC type, and it's 0.8 mm, 1 mm, and 2 mm thicker. 0.8 mm is used in the inside unit, and 2 mm is used in the external units, because it's look like a very good finish. Then 1 mm is very rarely used. Then laminate is used as 0.6 thick generally is used in, and polyurethane paint is used for laminate. Then after that, different type of finishes are it: laminates, membrane, glossy finish, then duco finish, etc. Then after coming that, BOQ is the bill of quantities. In QS is the quantity survey. In quantity survey, we calculate the quantities of the materials that which are used in the construction, and which are used in the constructions. And after that, we will use the after that the role of procurement coming. Procurement is the procurement engineer purchasing the technical goods and services in an industrial operation. Then several roles and responsibilities are in procurement engineer. And procurement engineer well known the knowledge about the materials, equipment, suppliers, and etc. And they collect the drawings from the clients and site managers, and then they study very well. Then prepare the then also they collect the BOQ from there also. Then the specification is done. Note down the specifications. Then identify the vendors, new or existing, or market or internet. Then after that, they will call for the negotiation. call for negotiation. Then they prepare the comparative statement. These all comparative statements are submitted to the manager. Then after that, manager will finalize the statements, and they will allow to enter the material to the site, and after the issue and the work order, issue the materials and work order. Then after finally it is if the more materials is available, then it keep it into the go down. Then next is then we went to the Alu Fit. It's a facade factory. It is a facade means wrapping of building with the glass and ACP, and it is a two systems are there: unitized system and semi-unitized system. Unitized system is mostly done, that is 90% is done in factory and only 10% is done in site, and semi-unitized system 70% done in factory and 10% is done in site. And different type of brackets are used in it. MS bracket and aluminum bracket is the material, and different type of and other floor bracket, drop mounted brackets are used. Then the different type of panels are used, and mullion and transom is the vertical and horizontal member in the facade. After that, then the facade. Then Prayojana Institute conduct the 5 days workshop, finishes workshop. That first is we visit the Asian paints also. Asian paints, and we know the different types of paints and contents and how it is applied in the walls, etc. Then next day we studied the GGBS. GGB is the ground granulated blast furnace slag. It's a byproduct of steel. GGBS is mainly used in construction site, and it is a costless product. And they taught us the different type of cements, OPC, PPC, and the low heat cement, etc. like that. Then after that we studied the waterproofing. Waterproofing is mainly how to resist the water into the building. That is waterproofing. And different waterproofing is provided in the different areas, that is podium, basement, terrace, etc. like that. Then we studied the doors, different types of doors, veneers doors, engineers doors, etc. Then also we visited the monolithic construction site. Monolithic means instead of bricks they are concreting. Instead of bricks they are concreting the walls by using the shutters. But its cost is very more and strength is also more. But we are not done plastering in that buildings. Then we went the design cafe. Design cafe is the interior factory, and interior factory, and we see the so many furnitures is there. I got all this knowledge from Prayojana. I am thankful for Prayojana Institute, and I am very thankful to Ashok sir, Deepa ma'am, Natarajan sir, Suresh sir, or the Shweta ma'am, etc. Thank you.